Last year, my friend Max made $200,000 and was still broke. How? He fell for the rich people trap, the lie that money solves everything. Meanwhile, my barber, who never finished high school, retired at 45. The difference? One chased dollars, the other mastered this ancient rule. Let's dive in before your next financial win backfires. Are you ready to unlock wealth and wisdom like King Solomon? Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to elevate your empire, the right principles, not just hustle, will determine your success. If you're still blaming the economy for your bank account, this channel might hurt your excuses. Drop a comment below with, "I choose wealth and wisdom," and I'll send you a heart. If this resonates, hit like and subscribe buttons. It fuels this mission to bring you ancient truths for modern prosperity. Because true wealth isn't luck, it's legacy, and we're just getting started. Imagine walking through a palace so vast, so breathtaking, it feels like a vision. Golden walls shimmer in the sunlight. Marble floors stretch endlessly beneath your feet. Every corner hums with mystery, echoes of ancient, powerful wisdom. And at the center of it all sits a man, not just any man, but King Solomon, the wisest, wealthiest ruler to ever walk the earth. His eyes burn with divine insight. His voice, deep and steady, rolls like distant thunder. Draped in royal silk and crowned with authority, he leans in and speaks. Wealth is not just about money, it's about mastery. And mastery begins with understanding the principles that govern it. So let me ask you, what if the reason you're financially stuck isn't because you're lazy, or cursed, or born into the wrong background, but simply because no one ever handed you the blueprint? What if no one ever taught you the real laws of wealth? Today we're uncovering 5 ancient wealth principles, the same divine truths that built kingdoms, elevated kings, and still hold the power to transform your financial reality today. This isn't hype, this isn't cliché motivation, this is Solomon-level revelation. Are you interested in this topic? If so, drop this in the comments. I will be rich and wise like King Solomon. When I see your comment, I'll know you're wise, and I'll give you a heart. If you'd like to support this channel, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. It means the world to me. Now that you've commented and subscribed, let's dive in. Number 1, the law of financial intelligence. If you knew better, you'd do better. Most people can quote Shakespeare but can't explain compound interest. Many can write a thesis but don't know how to write a budget. King Solomon didn't just pray for riches. He prayed for wisdom. Why? Because without wisdom, wealth is a curse in disguise. There are 5 kinds of education every person needs. Number 1, spiritual education. Who are you and why are you here? Number 2, personal education. Who are you becoming? Number 3, academic education. Reading, writing, arithmetic. Yes, it still matters. Number 4, marketplace education. How do you serve others in exchange for value? Number 5, financial education. How do you make, manage, multiply, and automate money? The problem? Most of us stop at academic education and think we're done. No wonder schools produce employees, not wealth creators. Solomon might ask you today, do you understand money, or are you just chasing it? By the way, if you're enjoying the content so far and want more topics like this, comment "I want more." Just go ahead and comment "I want more," so I know. Number 2, the law of delayed gratification. You can't eat with all 10 fingers. Ever seen a child devour all their candy in one sitting, only to cry when there's none left? That's most adults with money. Solomon wrote, "A wise man saves for the future, but a foolish man spends whatever he gets." If every dollar you earn vanishes with the speed of light, you're not building a future, you're borrowing from it. Every dollar is like a soldier. Some are for today's battles, rent, food, necessities, but many should be deployed to build tomorrow's fortress. Ask yourself, am I spending to impress people who don't care? Am I trading short-term pleasure for long-term pain? Delayed gratification isn't deprivation. It's the bridge between your dreams and your destiny. Number 3, the law of savings. If you don't save, you're not safe. Here's a story. A man made millions in his youth. Luxury cars, mansions, suits shinier than his future. Then one medical emergency, one business crash, and he was back to square one because he never saved. Solomon said, "The ants are creatures of little strength, yet they store up their food in the summer. Even ants have a savings culture. What's your excuse?" Saving isn't about being stingy. It's about being strategic. You save so you can invest later. Have a safety net. Seize opportunities while others panic. If your fridge breaks and you have to borrow, you're not financially free. You're fragile. Number 4, the law of investment. Send your money on an assignment. Here's the formula to build wealth. Work, save, invest. Repeat. Savings keeps you safe. Investment makes you wealthy. Solomon knew money is like a servant. If it's not working for you, it's working against you. Saving is like keeping soldiers in the barracks. Investing is sending them to conquer new territory. Whether it's real estate, stocks, businesses, or digital assets, you must learn to send your money out and expect it to return with friends. Poor people work for money. Wealthy people make money work for them. If you're getting value from this video and want to see more content like this, please hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. It means the world to me, and it really helps the channel grow. I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers, and with your support I know we can get there. Now that you've liked and subscribed, let's continue with our discussion. Number 5. The law of multiple streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine 2 farmers. One depends on a single river. If it dries up, he dies. The other has 5 rivers. If one dries, he drinks from the others. That's how wealth works. Solomon said, "Divide your investments among many places, for you do not know what risks might lie ahead." Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 2. Your income should come from different industries, different currencies, dollars, crypto, euros, different vehicles, business, investments, royalties. Because if your only income stream dies, will you survive? The ultimate question, are you building a legacy or just a bank account? Solomon reminds us, what does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? True wealth isn't just about what you gather, it's about what you give. So here's your challenge. Upgrade your financial intelligence. Delay gratification. Save strategically. Invest wisely. Multiply through multiple streams. Because like Solomon, you were born to reign. Now over to you. Which of these laws resonates most with you? What's one step you'll take today toward financial mastery? Drop a comment below. Let's build wisdom together. And if this resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. What if the thing holding you back isn't money, but understanding? Imagine this. Someone hands you $100,000 today. Would you multiply it or lose it all within 2 years? The truth, wealth isn't just about silver and gold. As King Solomon, the wisest man who ever lived, once said, wealth is not just about money. It's about wisdom, principles, and process. Most people chase riches, but never learn the foundations that make wealth last. Today we'll explore 7 pillars of true wealth principles that built kingdoms, toppled empires, and separated the rich from the truly wealthy. Pillar 1, knowledge. The foundation of transformation. Solomon said, "By wisdom a house is built, and through understanding it is established." The tale of 2 farmers. First farmer plants randomly, hoping for the best. Second farmer studies seasons, soil, and pests, then plants strategically. Who gets the better harvest? Life works the same way. If you're not informed, you'll be deformed by bad decisions. If you're not inspired, you'll expire in mediocrity. If you're not updated, life will outdate you. Wealth doesn't stumble upon you, you grow into it. And growth starts with learning what you don't know. Pillar 2, integrity. The hidden currency. Solomon declared, "A good name is more desirable than great riches." The $200 million lesson. A businessman once told me, "All the goods in my warehouse are worth $200 million, but my personal investment, just $50,000. How? Years ago, he made a deal with a Chinese supplier. "Lend me goods, I'll sell them and pay you monthly." He never missed a payment. Today that trust is worth $200 million in credit. The brutal truth. Many people stay poor, not because they lack intelligence, but because they lack integrity. They borrow money and disappear. They break promises for short-term gains. But integrity is social capital. It buys trust, partnerships, and opportunities that money can't. Ask yourself, am I chasing money or building a name that outlives me? Pillar 3. Relationships. The ladders you don't see. Solomon wrote, "Two are better than one. If one falls, the other can lift him up." You don't go up in life. You're brought up. Your parents raised you. Teachers educated you. Mentors opened doors. Life is a series of divine connections. One phone call, one referral, one handshake can take you further than 10 years of hard work alone. Wealth is a team sport. No one wins solo. Pillar 4. Systems and structure. The invisible engine. What system really means. Save yourself stress, time, energy, and money. People ask me, how do you do so much at once? Answer, it's not me, it's the system. The harsh reality. Many talented people fail not because they lack skill, but because they lack structure. The poor repeat tasks. The rich repeat systems. If you're always working in your business, you'll never work on it. Pillar 5. Patience. Process before performance. We live in a microwave generation. They want success now. But Solomon warned, the plans of the diligent lead to profit, as surely as haste leads to poverty. The 9-month principle. Even a baby takes 9 months to develop, yet some people want in 2 months what took others 20 years. Truth. Whatever comes fast often leaves faster. Wealth isn't a lottery, it's a harvest. Pillar 6. Communication. The bridge that builds or burns. Solomon said, a word fitly spoken is like apples of gold in settings of silver. The power of words. Wars have started and ended with words. Marriages thrive or die based on communication. Even God spoke the universe into existence. In business, family, and life, words create reality. Pillar 7. Wealth creation. It's not magic, it's mastery. Solomon understood, wealth is not just cash, it's assets, health, relationships, and legacy. Rich versus wealthy. Rich, you have $100 million today. Wealthy, you know how to keep it, grow it, and pass it on. Most lottery winners go broke because they had money, but not mastery. Final challenge. What do you really want? Quick cash or lasting legacy? Loud riches or quiet wealth? A fleeting lifestyle or a sustainable life? The difference. The poor chase survival. The rich chase income. The wealthy build systems, relationships, and values that outlive them. Now let me leave you with this. King Solomon didn't just build wealth, he built wisdom that outlived him. And today you've taken a step in that same direction, choosing wisdom over hype, legacy over quick fixes, and purpose over pressure. But don't let this be the end. Let it be your beginning. Share this video with someone you care about, someone ready to break financial cycles and create generational change. If this message stirred something in you, tap the like button. It helps this message reach more people just like you. And if you haven't already, subscribe, because each week we dive deeper into timeless principles that change lives and rewrite destinies. Drop a comment below. I will be rich and wise like King Solomon. When I see your comment, I'll know you're not just a viewer, you're a visionary. And always remember this, true wealth isn't just in your bank account, it lives in your mind, your habits, your values, and your vision. You're not just watching videos, you're becoming. So stay with me on this journey, because the next video might just be the one that unlocks your next level. Until then, stay wise, stay intentional, and build like Solomon. Which of these pillars will you strengthen first? Drop a comment below. Let's talk. If you found this video valuable, share it with someone who needs to hear this. True wealth isn't inherited, it's built. Start today.